a 1, hell yeah.
Is this a party?
Yep. Yeah, there's like 10.
Oh, he's missing a claw.
They can regrow their claws though. Here.
Okay, sorry. There's one right there.
Just pick them up with the tips of your fingers.
That scares me too much. Sorry.
Someone give me their hand.
No. No. There's so many of them. I hate every minute of this. I hate every minute of this. It doesn't feel good. I don't like it.
Here.
Okay.
Close your eyes. This one?
Yeah.
So in these clips here, someone on the beach told us when we find these little holes, if we dig far enough, we'll eventually find clams. So we had to try it, make sure he was telling the truth.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, you see him? Oh.
Yeah.
From the side, you can see him poking out.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, leave you alone. See you later.
Cool.
I want to try one more time. This one. There he is. That's crazy. This is how many we found in just a couple holes. And this disgusting thing. Okay.
Sorry, it touched me.
What is this?
Sea worm.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's nasty.
It's nice.
Ew, he's got like weird gills.
Oh, your finger.
Oh,
God. Let's go wash it off.
Oh, I got a big one here.
Oh no.
No exploring without a little blood.
Oh no. Take this big one. Oh wow. Whoa. There are some flecks of silver in it.
That's a nice bird. Somebody's old door. Oh. I was gonna soak my foot sooner or later hopping around all these. Just sucks that it was that time. Where does it look most dangerous to hang from? Right there?